Let me tell you something that could change everything. The biggest mistake you're making right now. Worrying about what everyone else thinks. You're so busy explaining yourself, defending your decisions, and seeking approval, that you're wasting the energy you need to build the life you want. It's time to stop. Stop announcing your every move. Stop asking for permission to grow. You don't need validation. You need action. Here's the truth. When you share your goals too early, you invite doubt. People project their fears onto you. They'll say, "Are you sure you can do that? That sounds hard." And just like that, seeds of doubt are planted. Even if they don't mean harm, their words linger. They echo in your mind. Suddenly, you're the one questioning yourself. Worse still, talking about your goals tricks your brain. Gives you a dopamine hit, a false sense of achievement. You feel good saying, "I'm going to do it." But you haven't even started. That's not progress. That's a trap. And here's what they don't tell you. Not everyone wants to see you grow. Some will minimize your progress. Some will go silent when you succeed. Because your growth reminds them they're standing still. Growth reveals who's really in your corner. Some only supported you when you stayed small. But the moment you level up, they get uncomfortable. And it's not your job to comfort them. Protect your energy. It's limited. And every moment spent explaining yourself to people who won't get it is energy you'll never get back. Don't explain your vision. Don't justify your boundaries. Let your success be your proof. Let your silence be your power. Because the people who truly support you, they won't need explanations. They'll see your effort, and they'll celebrate your growth. Be intentional about where your focus goes. Because overthinking, it's a silent killer of progress. The more time you spend analyzing, doubting, and second-guessing, the less energy you have for what actually matters. Action. Planning has its place. But at some point, you've got to stop thinking about it and just start. Progress comes from movement, not from imagining what could go wrong, not from rehearsing every scenario in your head. Every moment spent over-explaining, engaging in drama, or stuck in self-doubt, that's energy wasted. And you don't have time to waste. You've got dreams to chase, goals to hit, a life to build. Most people, they talk more than they act. They hype up their plans, tell the world what they're going to do, and then do nothing. But success, it doesn't come from announcements, comes from effort. Here's the trap. Talking about your goals gives your brain a dopamine hit. Feels like progress, but it's not. Saying, "I'm going to start a business," isn't the same as actually building one. Saying, "I'm going to lose weight," isn't the same as showing up every day to do the work. One reason people talk so much about their plans, they're chasing validation. They want to be cheered on. They want approval. But let me be honest, not everyone will believe in you. Some won't care. Others might try to talk you out of it. If your motivation depends on applause, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. What you need is discipline. Not likes, not validation, just discipline. Every time you talk instead of act, you delay your own success. The people you admire didn't get there by talking. They got there by moving, by doing the work. In silence, they didn't need to announce every step. They let their results speak. And that's what you need to do too. Yes, planning matters, but don't get stuck in it. Some point, you've got to stop preparing and start executing. Even small steps count. Even slow progress is still progress. Silence is a superpower. When you stop talking about your every move, you remove pressure. You eliminate noise. You focus. And when you stop chasing approval, you start trusting yourself. Success doesn't require permission. It requires action. When you move in silence, you protect your momentum. You guard your energy. You stay locked in. So stop talking. Start doing. And let your results make the noise.